What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Like always, I appreciate the love and the support when you come through and check me out. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. You feel me? Freestyle cooking, man. We get it down here. Let's do it. So today, y'all, I'm bringing y'all in the middle of me already doing my thing. Had to share it with y'all. Had to break out the camera. So today, man, we're going to do a honey Nashville hot chicken biscuit, y'all. That's right. I was in a mood for a chicken biscuit. I actually was reading this cookbook that was gifted to me. Really dope cookbook. And I love reading cookbooks because it always gives me inspiration, idea, and so forth. So I came across this Nashville hot chicken recipe. And I've seen plenty of them, you know, tried other ones. So I figured I'd just do my thing, real simple, share it with y'all, add the little honey twist, get this thing popping. Alright, now as you can see on the board, I already got my chicken. I've been brining my chicken for 4 hours. Okay, I got some chicken breasts that I got cut up, pounded them out, you know what I'm saying, made them flat, put them in a brine for 4 hours. Alright, I already did my flour. I mixed my flour with some paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt, some pepper, some white pepper. Boom, ready to go. And maybe another day I'll do the whole recipe from the beginning so you can see, you know, everything from start to finish. But I just love this recipe. I just had to bring y'all in, man. That's how I do sometimes, man. Freestyle cooking, man. That's what we do, okay? So you want to get some chicken breast or chicken thighs, brine your chicken, and I'm brining my chicken in some hot sauce, some sugar, some salt. That's it. You feel me? Alright, about a cup and a half, depending on how much chicken you're using, about a cup and a half of hot sauce, you know what I mean, a couple tablespoons of sugar, a couple tablespoons of salt, and you're good to go. Marinate it for at least 30 minutes and on. The longer, the better. I did it for 4 hours, alright? So, where we at now is, I got my oil heating up right now. We about to get my chicken out the brine, pat it dry, get it breaded, get this thing popping, y'all. Let's do it! Alright, now that I got my chicken out the brine, I got it patted dry. As you can see, I pounded it down to get it thin slices. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead, dip it in my flour, put it on my baking sheet, let it chill. My oil's heating up. You want your oil to get up to about 350 degrees. You know that heat where you normally fry chicken in. And get it popping. I mean, I got mine in a deep fryer going right now. Alright, you don't got no deep fryer. You want to put like, 3-4 tablespoons of oil in your pan. Get it real hot. Alright, 350 degrees. Also, preheat your oven to 200. Let that sit on chill. Alright, so let's get our chicken dipped in our flour. There we go. Got the chicken breaded on up. Oil is ready. Come back to y'all after I fry these pieces. Get this thing moving. Then we're going to make our honey sauce. Get our biscuits ready. We good to go, man. Let's go. Now, at the same time I'm frying my chicken, got me another baking pan, got me some nonstick foil, got me some biscuits right here, y'all. Told y'all, real easy, real quick. Now, you can make your biscuits from scratch if you want to. It'll take you a little bit more time. But like I said, y'all, I was in the mood for this, for some chicken biscuits. Real quick, real fast, man. We ain't got to be extra fancy. Take no time. We're going to get this done, like, real quick, alright? So, of course, you just want to cook them. According to the directions. Alright. Biscuits are ready. They go in the oven. Like I said, cook them at package directions. Should only take about 15 minutes. Okay? Once they're finished and you take them out to cool, lower your heat back down to 200 because we still want to keep that oven hot at 200. You know what I mean? Because we're going to sit our chicken in there while we do our honey sauce. Alright? Let's do it! Okay, so we got everything flowing right now. So while we waiting, we can go ahead and put together our little spice mix for our chicken. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Maybe about a tablespoon of paprika, smoked paprika. And how much seasoning you use depends on, like I said, how many pieces of chicken you're cooking. You know, because you don't need. I don't need, for my recipe. I don't need a whole lot of sauce. Some garlic powder. Maybe another tablespoon. Some salt. A little teaspoon of salt. Also add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Now once you got it all mixed up and incorporated, now you want to take, you could use the hot oil that you fried your chicken in. I'm going to use some oil that I already started heating up on the side and pour that in. Now go ahead and mix this up, stir it up. Look at that, y'all. There go our sauce right there. Alright guys, there we go. Biscuits are done. Chicken should be about done. Let's get it. Boom. Chicken is done. Now you want to go ahead and paint your chicken up with the sauce. Oh yeah, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. Or, you can take your tongs and dip it into the sauce. Let me just go ahead and paint them all up. Alright, once you got your sauce covered on your chicken, go ahead and set it into your 200-degree oven and let it chill. So we got another step, and we'll be making our biscuits, y'all. Now it's time for my honey butter sauce. Real quick, y'all, takes no time, man. Just want to fully get your butter melted in the pan. Once your butter is basically melted, you want to go ahead and pour your honey in. And I'm just making a little sauce. And you want to stir and keep stirring until the butter and the honey come together. Alright, y'all, here we go. Let's get our biscuit together. Alright, got my biscuit, chicken. Sit that right on top, just like so. Next, I want to go ahead and drizzle it with my sauce. Oh yeah. There we go. Next, this is optional. I made a fried egg that I'm going to put on top. Fried egg right on top. Then get my, oh yeah, there we go. And there we go, y'all. We got my honey Nashville hot chicken biscuit. That's what I'm talking about, man. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. About to go in on that. You see that? Dig me? So I'm about to go in, man. So y'all should try this. Try this little biscuit sandwich. It's banging. You know what I mean? So please subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest videos. Try it, comment, let me know what y'all think, man. Real quick, easy, quick meal. Quick sandwich, y'all, man. So I'm about to take care of this. So y'all know what I'm gonna do. Holla.